mafia of Barbados. Fucking awesome. Hakeem is the man as well. You'll find monkeys back here though?
Yeah, sometimes I don't see any.
I feel it's probably too late in the day, you think?
Nah, yeah. Sometimes not too late.
When do you think we would see them? Do they climb back up and go inland? Maybe? They drink it? The monkeys are hysterical.
I was just in there with like someone mentioned monkeys. So what if they like my hair and then they're trying to like grab my hair and like ripping at it? They would. They're like just bring a banana.
Were you with me 2 days ago when I might have been Tony or one of Ray or someone said the monkeys don't trust humans and all they do is smell it and like make sure that it's not poison or something? Do they not trust us?
Sometimes they do that. I know that's the guy going to go.
The concept of monkeys is awesome. Crab! I thought I'd get him out, but he didn't come out.
Right.
Scared him.
Yeah, I probably scared him. Nothing. Yeah, I just anti-crabs. What's up? Oh, that's a cool cliff. Is that the other side of the crane cliff? Oh, okay, okay. That's cool. I like that. Okay, yeah, there's stairs. That's cool. What's up? Want a picture?